In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where you're stuck in the Warzone 3 lobby. So the first thing you need to do to fix this is head over to the home screen of your Call of Duty game and then click on the settings icon in the top right hand side. From here, you need to select manage files and you need to make sure you have the Call of Duty Warzone extension installed. So as you can see here for me, it says uninstall and that's because I've already downloaded it. But if you do see an install button here, then you'll need to go ahead and install that, and that will be the reason why you're getting stuck in the lobby. Now, if that doesn't work for you, what you'll need to do is just close out of the Call of Duty game, and then from your desktop you need to click on the start menu, search for settings, and then click on the settings window. From the left hand side, select network and internet, click on VPN, and you want to ensure that you're currently not connected to any VPNs. So you can see here that I'm currently disconnected. If you are connected to a VPN, you'll need to disconnect now. Once you've done that, we're going to close out of this window and head back over to the start menu, search for CMD, and then right click on the command prompt and run this as administrator. From this window, you just need to type in ipconfig /flush DNS and hit enter. And then type in ipconfig /register DNS and hit enter. Then type in ipconfig /release and hit enter. And then type in ipconfig /renew and then hit enter. And lastly, we're going to type in netsh winsock reset and hit enter. Now, once you've done this, you will need to restart your computer for these changes to take effect. And once your computer's restarted, you can check to see if that's fixed the issue. If it's still not working, another thing you can try is heading over to your start menu, searching for Windows Security, and then clicking on the Windows Security tab. From here, you want to select Firewall and Network Protection, click on Public Network, and we're going to disable Microsoft Defender Firewall. You'll also need to make sure you've disabled any other third-party antiviruses you may have installed on your computer. This could be Avast or Norton or any antiviruses you have installed. And then once again, you could load up Warzone, and that should have now fixed any issues you were having. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.